Yan. Hello everyone, Mylene Cap is here. I am here in front of my laptop working something. I'm here now because I want to say thank you very much to Miss Ronalyn Simanca from Belgian Waffle, located at Wilcon City Center. It is because I made a mistake typing cell phone number, and then to make a story short, Miss Rona's kindness, she was able to return my money. So I was the first take an action. I texted her and called her, and then after a minute or after a while, something like that, as I remember, she has an effort to communicate with me, so that's why the money itself, naibalik sa akin. Thank you very much. You are a wonderful and great example of Belgian Waffles employee. Yeah. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Thank you very much for your kindness.